Hi friends, my name is Piyush Bhange. I study in class 8th in Oxford International School, Nanded. We are the first generation to feel the effect of climate change and the last generation who can do something about it. Sayings of Barack Obama, former US President. Climate change is one of the main environmental challenges facing the world today. India is facing several problems. Climate change is associated with the various adverse impacts of agriculture, forest and biodiversity, health, coastal management, and increase in temperature. These was some sayings. The world is reaching the tipping point beyond which climate change may become irreversible. If this happens, we risk denying present and future generation the right to a healthy and sustainable planet. The whole humanity stands to lose, said by Kofi Annan, former Secretary General of UN, said this quote. India has a reason to be concerned about climate change for their livelihood. The adverse impact of climate change in the form of decline in rainfall and rise in temperature has resulted in increasing severity of livelihood issues in the country. According to the latest scientific assessment, the Earth's climate system has demonstrably changed on both global and regional scales since the pre-industrial era. What do you makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. Quote said by Dr. Jane Goodall, scientist and activist. India is large developing country with nearly 700 million rural populations. Directly depending on climate change sensitive sectors, almost 15 years are spent globally in creating this policy failure. Almost exclusive focus on mitigation in Kyoto Protocol acts against the interest of developing countries. One can see from space how the human race has changed the earth. Nearly all of the available land has been cleared of forest, and now for agriculture of urban development, the polar ice caps are shrinking and the desert areas are increasing. At night the earth is no longer dark but large areas are lit up. All of this is the evidence that human exploitation of the planet is reaching a critical limit. But human demands and expectations are very increasing. We cannot continue to pollute the atmosphere, poison is the ocean and exhaust the land. There isn't any more available. Quote by the great Stephen Hawking, physicist and author. Climate change is increasingly recognized as one of the potential critical factors in sustainable development trajectories. Estimations of the anthropogenic greenhouse gas emission inventories in India began in a limited scale in 1991, which were enlarged and revised. Climate change is a terrible problem and is absolutely needs to be solved. It deserves to be a huge priority. Quote by the great Bill Gates, founder of Microsoft. Similarly, increase in emissions from the waste sector of be attributed to increase in quantity of waste generated due to the large influx of population from villages to cities in Andhra Pradesh. Dry land farmers may see their incomes plunge by 20%. In Maharashtra, sugarcane yields may fall dramatically by 25 to 30%. What you makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you have to make by Dr. Jane Goodall. India's rich water resources are evenly distributed and resulted in spatial and temporal shortages. The demand of water has increased in tremendous amount over the years due to an increasing population, expanding agriculture and rapid industrialization, which are responsible for considerable imbalance in the quantity and quality of water resources. The climate crisis has already been solved. We already have the facts and solutions. All we have to do is wake up and change. By Greta Thunberg. Forest global assessment has shown the future climate change is likely to have a significant impact on forest ecosystem and climate. Climate is probably the most important determinant of vegetation patterns globally and has a significant influence on the distribution structure and ecology of forest. From young children to adults, all aged, all need to come together. We all need to fight against to protect our earth, one that we won't get back. It's essential to make attitude changes through learning now in order to ensure a healthy environment for us for our future generation. By Ananya Kamboj. Impact of climatic change on forest types. A comparison of the extent of area that is likely to occur in each of the forest type under the present climate regime and that under the two future climate scenarios reveals the magnitude of changes that are expected to take place in each of the forest types. Sea level rise. Coastal ecosystem will be affected by sea level rise and temperature increases. Heavily populated mega delta regions, in particular, will be at the greatest risk due to increased flooding. The changes in the Godavari, Indus, Mahanadi and Krishna rivers coastal deltas will be potentially displace millions of people. Health. The health status of millions of people is projected to be affected through, for example, increase in malnutrition, increased deaths, diseases and injury due to extreme weather events, increased burden of diarrheal diseases, increased frequencies of cardiorespiratory diseases due to higher concentration of ground level ozone in urban areas related to climate change, and the altered spatial distribution of some infectious diseases, increased temperature and extreme events. Climate change impacts will lead to an increased frequency of hot days, heat waves, droughts, and natural disasters resulting from cyclones. Climate change is expected to affect the human well-being in many different ways such as capital, ecosystem, disease, and migration. Irrespective of the importance of the issue, it is not clear how to compute the value with the current state of the art of economics. Many students in India are caring about climbing and I am also participating in it as a good Indian citizen. Thanks to NCERT Pune for arranging this competition about climate change. Thank you.